start. Hello, viewers. I'm that your friend, Reverend Father Michael Obodo, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Yeah, I'm in my goat farm. This is one of my goat kids. That's the mother crying. We also have the African dwarf. Let me put them down so that you can hear me clearly. Okay. Oh, she's hungry and she's feeding now. That is the African dwarf, the black one over there. Then this one is I think they call it the Sokoto brown, if I'm not mistaken. Good farming also is also a very good farming, a very good source of income, a very lucrative business. Let me use that word. And if you do it rightly, also, yeah, it's also some piece of parcel of land that is fenced, and we have goats here. That is actually, as you can see, that one and the mother, they are going. That one is also one of them. You also, who is a youth, you can also think goat farming, and it's a very lucrative business. How much are they selling goat 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 now in the market? Even this black one is close to about 100,000 in Nigeria currency now in the market. You go to those goat meat pepper soup joint there, you will know what I'm trying to say. And you as a youth, please don't sit down idle. Do something, and you will see how your finance is going to turn around. Once more, I continue to remain that your friend, Father Michael Obodu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Thank you, and God bless you.